Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play.
Hello, everyone. All right, it's DEPHEMEREMBER time again. Now, I had myself all organised to be ready. Here are the gorgeous little freebies that we got with the prompt list this year from Liesl and Barbara. So, this is a challenge that's posted by Luise Heinzl and Barbara over at 49 Dragonflies. Their channels and the playlist is linked below in the description or on the side, whichever device you're looking at this on. And you can, go via there and pick up all the little freebies and things that they tend to sprinkle through the month. But the most fun is how we all have a go at these prompts together. And this is just about making ephemera. So it's nice to have December filled with something that's just creativity. Now, as I said, I was sort of on top of everything. I was getting everything organized. And then, of course, our household, just as I finished filming this, all got knocked out with COVID. So now I'm behind in everything. I did do a little doorway for the 1st of December. So, well, it was what I called my style of doorway, but oh my goodness, you should see the doors that Louise and Barbara have done. It's just, they're just divine. They're absolutely beautiful. So now I want to do my doors all over again. But anyway, uh, yeah, so here, look, I've just gone with the portfolio as it was in the freebie. I've added a bit of sewing around the edge. I believe Louise did that. I did a little slip tuck at the front. I believe that was the same as what Barbara did. I really didn't feel I needed to recreate anything because it's such a beautiful standalone piece, this. It really speaks for itself, and I really didn't feel like it needed anything extra. I just added some of my pink ribbons and things that I've used that go with the cover that I'm using this year. And really, that's the only extra thing I did. So wait till you go and see them put it together. They are so creative, and I can't wait to do all of the other prompts with them. As you can see, it has a couple of lovely little pockets inside. So, you can use one for your little prompt list, can use the other for the notes or all the little extras that, came in that little freebie, those couple of pages of printouts. So, yeah, really lovely. So, here's what I mean by just, getting my little pink ribbons and cloths and things to match with my theme this year. I don't really remember the last time I worked with a lot of pinks. So yeah, this will be fun. This will be lots of fun. It always is. It always is. So anyway, I'll try to keep up. I'll try and do better. But yeah, and I'll make sure, even if it's just a short, I'll show you the little funny doorway thing that I did this year. Uh, it's a little bit lame. It has a Christmas tree, even though DEPHEMEREMBER isn't about Christmas. It's about just having some lovely prompts to make ephemera and things to fill our journals with. And it's really lovely to have December that's still about creativity. And it's wonderful seeing all the different ways that people interpret the exact same prompt. So lots and lots of fun. Of course, I already can't work out what I'll do for number one, and I bet any money it goes right down to the wire, and I'll wake up on the 4th and do it on the 4th, and then it'll just be, silly. So, but that's what it's all about. It's all about having fun, having a go. Prompts help you get some new ideas, get your imagination going. So here I'm just adding a, little bit of fluff and flaff on the inside just to sort of pull it all together in with the folder that I'm using for it this year, which I had so much fun. You'll be able to see that video as well on my channel. I'll try and remember to link it, but it'll be in my playlist, and this will be in the DEPHEMEREMBER 2023 playlist. So I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you all are too. So look, here it is all together with the two cute little pockets inside. And as you can see, you can put your prompt list on either side. It's not a problem. Once my glue dried, I realised I had let it spludge out a little bit. I should know better. I should be more experienced at this. But that's all right. We can fix that. We just use a bone folder, and it just eases out those edges, and then it slips in and out very easily after that. So, aren't those mushrooms? They're just beautiful, aren't they? All the little scenes that Effie's in. I wasn't too sure about Effie now, but now I understand that Effie is a nickname that's short for ephemera. I'm like, okay, totally in love. And when you see those images close up, so beautiful. So look, all that's left here is for me just to put my little title on, DEPHEMEREMBER, which I've done on the flap. So yeah, I just crumpled it up to give it a bit more age and wear sort of looking thing because it felt really white against everything else. It's a lot of fun, this challenge, and I always enjoy it, and I really hope that I manage to keep up. And what I'm most looking forward to is seeing what everybody else comes up with when I look up the hashtag. So enjoy DEPHEMEREMBER, everybody, and I will see you real soon. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!